So I'm super excited to even be recording this video because we've been waiting such a long time. So today we have the Sony ZV E10, but not only did we go and purchase this beastly camera, we actually went out and got a lens. We also went out and got that Sigma 16mm, all right? So these two being a pair is all that I've ever been hearing about after all this research, and I am happy that we can finally look at it together, all right? So let's go ahead and start with the ZV E10, brand new. I can't wait. This is going to be my new primary camera, and I'm excited. I'm excited. More IRL content coming soon. And oh my gosh, here we go. All right, in here we have, what is this? What is this? Let's get this open first, hey? All right, in here we do have, oh, okay. So this is what goes to the top. It feels like a rabbit's foot, low-key, but this goes to the top of the camera. This is kind of like our boom mic, or this is just going to delete the air. If it's a windy day, it's going to delete that from our shots. All right, we got our cord here for charging. We get a nice little, I guess this is like the little neck piece where we can hang the camera around our neck. I'm probably not going to be using that. This feels like the battery here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, not a huge battery. Okay, not bad. All right, we're gonna keep that to the side. What's this here? All right, this is our wall plug for our charger. So we're definitely going to want to make sure we know where that is soon. All right, here is what you guys came for, all right? This is the actual camera. This is the body of the camera. Now, I could have saved some money just by getting the body of the camera without the lens, but I decided to get a lens. I knew that I was going to go and get this Sigma 16mm, but geez, this thing is beautiful. Okay, yeah, we wanted to just get the lens. We could just always change it out and whatnot. Here is pretty much the finished product. Here is the Sony ZV E10, all right? Or ZV E10, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and turn this baby on, all right? Oh my, all right, so as you guys can see here, we doing a little something, all right? Let's actually see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, all right. We just had to see what this looked like. This is the default lens on this camera. Holy, all right, so zoom. We can zoom in a little, oh yeah, this junk zooms in. Oh my God, my big old nose. Yeah, this thing zooms in crazy. All right, well, this is nice, okay? This is really nice. You see the lights back there, you know, the basketball game on right there. We watching a little basketball, playoff basketball. But right now, this is looking pretty cool. No setting changes, no nothing. Let's actually see what this lens looks like. All right, let's see. This is the moment I've been waiting for. This is actually my first camera lens that I've ever purchased. So this is pretty cool. All right. This is looking like a big boy. Holy crap. All right. Well, let's put this thing on. Let's go ahead and smack this on. All right, so this is the new Sigma 16mm lens here, and so far it does not disappoint. This looks beautiful. The one thing that I have to say is that it's heavy, okay? I might need to go get a tripod for this, but it is beautiful, okay? Yeah, this thing goes crazy. All right, so we're gonna actually have to use the button to kind of zoom in and zoom out here. Holy, all right. Well, here is my light. But yeah, this looks phenomenal. I'm in love already, yo. I'm in love already. This looks crazy. Like, this is the default settings. So I can easily say that I am super impressed with this setup, and I'm gonna be using this camera a lot on this channel, all right? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then please make sure to leave a like on the video. Ask me questions down below. Sometimes you might have questions. I did quite a bit of research on this, okay? So looking at my setup now, I do have a Canon M50 to do the whole product review. Other than that, I was really just using my phone, and we were getting it done, all right? But I'm happy that I have an upgraded camera and we can figure out how to use this together. But if you're new, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.